Ready? We are going to continue this algebra review. Once again, keeping it fairly straightforward as we go. So, first problem for today, 25 equals negative 2w minus 3. So first thing we want to do here, we want to create our two different sides of this equation. We want to get w by itself. So I see that there's the negative 2 attached and there's the minus 3 attached. So let's first deal with that minus 3. We want to do the inverse operation or do the opposite. So if I'm subtracting 3, the opposite would be to add 3. So what we do to one side, we also want to make sure we do to both sides. So 25 plus 3 becomes 28. And then here we have the 3's that cancel out. So we're left with negative 2w. Then we got to ask ourselves, how is the w attached to the negative 2? It's attached through multiplication, which means I have to divide it. So I'm going to divide by negative 2 on both sides, divide by negative 2 on both sides. Here the negative 2's cancel out, so I'm left with just w. And then 28 divided by negative 2, plug that in my calculator, and I get a negative 14 is what w is going to be. Next problem. Negative k plus 86 equals negative 121. Go ahead, pause the video, and then go ahead and give this one a shot. All right, so first thing we're going to do here is we want to get the k by itself. So I see this plus 86 over here, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to subtract 86, and get, when I do this, the 86's will cancel out. Remember, negative is the inverse operation of addition. So that leaves me with just a negative k over here. And a negative 121 minus 86. Once again, feel free to do this on your calculator just to make sure you get it right. But you will get a negative 207. Negative 207. Then we want to make sure that we figure out what our k value is. So here I have negative k, I just want a positive k. But do remember that in front of a k, in front of any variable, if there's no number, there's always that invisible 1 that's right there. So if I want to find out what just k is, then I can divide by negative 1, and that will give me just k. Divide by negative 1 here, and I get k is equal to 207. Negative divided by negative is a positive. So that would be a positive 207. All right, and last two problems. Once again, pause the video, give those two a shot. When you come back, you'll see the answers completely worked out. All right, so the problem on the left here, we have y equals negative 11 as our final answer. And the problem on the right, we have n equals 3 as our final answer. Don't forget to box them in. If you've got any questions, let me know.